Kia, which to be honest, I think their electric cars are overpriced everywhere around the world. Anyway, they've just put in some massive discounts in the United States, and I think they're worth having a good look at. I mean, in the US, you don't have any other choices. Personally, I don't recommend a Kia EV to anyone that has access to Chinese cars, which I think are better, are more efficient. But in the US, you don't have that choice. And I think the prices that Kia have just put out, discounts of up to 10,000 US dollars across the board, it's absolutely worth having a look at all these Kia models right now in North America. Hello, my friends. Welcome to the channel. I'm Sam Evans. Kia is knocking $10,000 off every EV in its lineup. So massive discounts. The $7,500 federal EV tax credit expired. Kia launched a new promotion offering 10,000 US dollars customer cash discount, basically $10,000 discounts across their entire lineup. That's some big discounts. These savings mean you can get a 24% discount on Kia's cheapest EV, the Niro EV, with an MSRP of $41,000. Yeah, that's still kind of pricey, but still, I mean, 24% discount off that price means you're getting it a lot cheaper than that. The EV6, 23% discount off MSRP, and the EV9, $10,000 discount, which is an 18% discount. So basically that means the Niro EV ends up being $31,000 MSRP. Well, let's just get to that in a second. First of all, Kia, last month were offering discounts of $8,500 and they've now increased it. So yeah, sorry if you bought a Kia EV last month, but now the discounts are $10,000. Kia is also offering 0% finance for 72 months on all EV6 models, plus an additional $2,500 financing bonus. So financing is definitely an option as well. However, guys, the biggest discount you can get is $16,500, and that's on the Kia EV6 GT, which actually is a pretty cool car. EV6 GT has 641 horsepower. It's sort of like the Hyundai Ioniq 5N, right? But it gets $16,500 discount. That's US dollars. 0% APR financing for 60 months. It's also worth mentioning that the EV6 and the EV9, they do have Tesla NACS charging ports, so you can connect to all Tesla superchargers in the United States. There's 21,500 of those. That's pretty handy. Also worth mentioning the Kia Niro EV. Lease prices are $209 per month for 24 months. That's very, very cheap. EV6 lease prices $309. EV9 lease prices are $419. And ultimately, this means that really good deals on every single Kia EV model in the US. I wish we could get prices like this on the Kia EV9 in Australia. The EV9 is just too expensive in Australia, but in the US, it's definitely something to consider. The price is actually, going to start at 55,000 US dollars, which is really good for a car that size. However, there's also some big discounts at Honda. Honda are offering up to 17,000 US dollars off the Honda Prologue SUV. 17,000 US dollars, that's like nearly 30,000 Australian dollars. The Honda Prologue's pretty good. I mean, it's basically a General Motors Ultium platform. It's basically a General Motors car, but it's still good. When I say still good, I mean it is good. It's basically a Chevy Blazer, really, with a reskin and, different interior, but it's pretty much the same car. So good deal, 17,000 US dollars off. Kind of like a tough time to choose right now. So yeah, I mean, if you're looking at a Tesla Model Y, these are some other good options in the US that you could also consider. What do you guys think? Are these cars worth looking at? Would you consider buying one? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching. Kia's electric car sales crashed in the United States last month, and Kia's gone, well, okay, hold my beer. We're going to offer some pretty insane deals. Honestly, it could be cheaper to buy a Kia EV right now than what it was before the EV incentives or the tax incentive, whatever you want to call it, before it was cancelled by Donald Trump. YouTube's new algorithm means that you're often not getting all of our videos in your feed. There's 7,500. I'm pretty sure you're probably not seeing a lot of them. In the description, there is a link to our newsletter. Click on that and you can get an update every day of all the latest news in the electric car industry. Hello, my friends. Welcome to the channel. I'm Sam Evans. You're watching the Electric Viking. Kia's EV sales in the US have been discounted by 24%. That's after Kia sales took a real beating last month after the government pulled the $7,500 EV federal tax credit. Kia, they are rolling out some big discounts, trying to get those sales back. The Kia Niro EV, which in Australia is just massively overpriced, but in the US it's not too bad. It comes with a $10,000 customer cash discount, up from $8,500 previously. So that means it's discounted by 24%. You can get Kia Niro EV for $31,000 in America. The price is pretty good, actually. According to Cars Direct, the 2025 EV6 is also being offered with the same $10,000 discount, meaning around 23% off. You can get a 2026 EV9 with a $10,000 discount as well, and that's about 18% price reduction. So yeah, $10,000 off basically every Kia model. That's US dollars, so it's quite a lot of money in terms of discounts. Kia says the deal is subject to vehicle availability and dealer participation. So your dealer can decide to opt out if he wants to, but then you can just go to a different dealer. So yeah. EV6 and EV9, they already were getting a $9,000 discount before this new discount. So basically Kia has just added an additional $1,000 on top of the $9,000, hoping that this will mean people will bite, I guess. And I do think it makes their vehicles really good value for money. The 2025 EV6 and Niro EV are also available on top of those discounts with 0% interest for 72 months if you get them financed, and a $2,500 incentive. So if you get them financed, I don't think you get the $10,000 discount. I think it's $2,500 plus 0% interest for 72 months. That's also a pretty good deal as well. I'd probably go the $10,000 discount personally. The 2026 EV9 also has 0% financing over a 60-month term. And if you want to lease an EV6, including the GT, you can get a $16,500 discount on leasing. $16,500 on leasing. So they're basically free. No, I mean, I'm kidding. But wow, Kia, great deals on EVs right now. It's a really compelling option. I personally have never really felt kind of, oh, Kia EV, I want one of those. Never had that happen to me. The EV6, I do like it. It's a bit weird looking, but I do like it. The EV9, though, I do quite like the EV9. But now I'm kind of thinking to myself, if the EV9 was priced similarly in Australia to what it's priced in the US right now with this $10,000 discount, there's got to be a lot of people that are saying to themselves, this is really good value. I think I'll have go into a dealership, have a look at one of these.